Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo. If you are new here, you are welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hair, so if you want to see it, please keep watching. Please give this video a huge thumbs up and please share it to your friends. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm using the Xpression Super Braid in color 30. I'm opening this nylon and I'm just bringing out the attachments. From the company, it has already been divided into two. So for the first one, I'm going to cut it with my scissors into 3, and the other one I'm going to cut it into 4. That 4 is going to be used for the back and the cut 3 is going to be used for the front. So gently, I'm just going to remove the band at the end of the attachment and I'm going to cut. I'm cutting this one into 2 first, then once I'm done cutting into 2, I'm just going to separate the attachments, removing that band from the other end, and I'm just going to carefully do what I'm doing here because I don't want it to be rough at the end of the day. Anything you are doing, especially when your attachment is new, ensure you take your time and complete it because it comes plated actually. So you just have to take your time to make it straight and all. Then once you are done with this, you're just going to move on to the next stage. Now the attachment is even. Into 3 and I just cut. If you're a beginner, it can take you a while to get this, but the more you twist, the better. moving down. Like this. Once I place I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.